welcome to episode 5 of our KNX Tech Top Tips. So, in today's episode, we are going to look at the various different function types which can be configured inside the motion sensor. So let's jump into ETS and have a look. So, for this demonstration, even though we can have up to 4 functions, we're just going to leave it with 1 function. So, let's step through all the different function types that we can have. The first one is, and the default, is switching. So very, very simple. We've just got a single 1-bit output here, which can be connected to a switched load, such as a light. The second option is dimming value transmitter. So this is really nice if you've got a dimmed light in the room that you want to turn on, let's say 50% when motion is detected, and then when it's timed out, you want to turn it off. Or if you've got a corridor situation in maybe a hotel or something, you might want the, when motion is detected, it to go up to 80%, but then when it times out to go to 20%. And this will just guarantee that there's a little bit of light in the corridor at all times, but when the motion is detected, it raises to 80%. So this is the dimming value transmitter function type. Extractor fan. So in bathrooms, you can use one of the you can configure one of the functions to control an extractor fan. You'll notice here with an extractor fan that we do not evaluate brightness. It's irrelevant to look at a brightness threshold when we're controlling an extractor fan. Other than that, the extractor fan is the same as switching. It sends a 1-bit telegram. Scenes. You can configure the motion sensor to send a scene. So in this instance, we've got our on motion scene and our on timeout scene. Relatively simple setup. HVAC. So again, you'll notice for HVAC that the brightness threshold isn't evaluated. And then you can set any of the various different modes here for controlling your HVAC. Constant light control. This is a very complicated and very advanced function type that we'll do another episode on. It has multiple different parameters and features that can be used to constantly control the light level in the room. And then advanced. So in the advanced menu, we have the option to delay the sending of the on motion telegram. So if you want a small delay between when motion is detected and when the telegram gets sent, you can use this advanced feature. And then what we have here is a whole range of different object types. So you can have unsigned values, percentage values, 2-byte floats. So on motion, you can send any value that you want. So you could even send the value 23.56 or 52, for example, if you really wanted to. You can also send RGB values, either in a 3x1 byte format or a 3-byte object format. So depending on what data point type your actuator expects, and also HVAC. So the advanced menu is basically for sending various different data point types. And it's a bit more of a stripped back advanced menu. So that's it. We've run through all the different function types that you can use in our motion sensor. So thank you for watching.